Okay, so at age 52, Jamaican reggae artist Frankie Paul passed away on Thursday night at a university hospital. He was suffering from kidney problems and on dialysis twice per week. Frankie Paul, who had moved to Gambia in 1994, was a major dancehall and reggae star in the 1980s and 1990s with hits like Worries in the Dance, Pass the Cushion Peg, I had a problem saying that before, Tidal Wave, Casanova, and Sarah.
Wow.
A beautiful voice that will be missed.
Yeah, and of course, you know, we were talking this morning about being, I don't want to call it deficient, but in some areas when you don't have it, you tend to perk up other areas. So his ears were really good because he was actually visually impaired.
Yeah.
So that's awesome. I love the fact that he used his other talents.
Yeah, man, you think about most of the great artists from like Beethoven, Born Blind, great composer, Frankie Paul. Fab Five, they've said, you know, they'll miss him because he was a part of that era.
Definitely.
He came to an era where DJs dominated music, you know.
And him still break through,
yeah.
so that was fabulous.
So,
you know, I wouldn't know half of the love I have for music and theatre if it wasn't for Fab Five, Grub Cooper. So I was around. I was teeny tiny top when I met him, Frankie Paul, but we will miss him, but he's left behind a legacy, so that's awesome.
And condolences to his family and his friends. His voice will live on forever, though.
Most definitely. All right, Jamaicans across the island are recouping after 6 straight days of heavy rain. Homes and yards were inundated while bridges and other infrastructure have been damaged after the floodwaters did their worst. Residents in various communities had to be evacuated as the rising waters threatened their lives. All right. Now, when was the last time you see sun, aside from this morning?
6 days ago.
For real? Because
No.
it was raining on Mother's Day,
Yeah.
so that was Sunday.
Sunday.
So Saturday was the last time you
last
saw
week Saturday.
sun. So that's 7 days, almost
Yeah, I
8
saw a
days.
little glimmer of, when I went to Manchester, I saw a little.
Wow.
Yeah.
Now, I see some footage there. Literally, the man was swimming in the water.
Yeah, and there are a lot of fake footages going around
Yeah,
as well.
a lot of
Yeah,
fake ones. Like,
that's
Neville had to point out to me that one of them was actually old and this one was that and blah, blah, blah. But the ones that are actually genuine, them take the cake, you know.
I saw a guy in an old fridge.
Oh, yeah. Jamaican people, I swear, we take everything I met joke.
I don't understand, like, how you...
Them make slide,
you
water
know?
slide.
Yeah, it was fun.
I mean, time
I guess
out
it's
to them
fun.
have to make sure so them enjoy what we can enjoy out of it. But thank God, nobody has reported loss of life in any of the parishes. So that's one good thing out of all of this.
It's a lot of
And
rain, though.
you know what I'm actually concerned about? It's the beginning of hurricane season. Come, what, next month?
Next month.
If this do we so, what's gonna happen for that?
We need proper preparation.
Well,
Like-
Prime Minister Holness visited a lot of places, and I heard that he was saying that people won't be allowed to just live anywhere because that becomes a problem when situations
But it's
like
been a
these
problem.
arise.
It's been a problem, you know.
No, him say, I'm gonna do something about it, so I could see now.
Anyways.
I'm wearing green this morning, but that has nothing to do with my affiliation. Let's
Me
just
either.
say
We just like the color and it look nice.
Oh, gosh.
But yeah, man, it's scary though to think that hurricane season is coming up and we had 6 straight days of rain and that happened. But, yeah. But something more bizarre,
Yeah.
a drug-crazed driver drove through pedestrians in Times Square in New York, crashing into safety posts and stumbled out of his car on Thursday. The driver was identified as 26-year-old Richard Rojas of the Bronx with a long list of violations on his police record.
Do we have the footage?
Yeah, I think we have the footage.
I think so, because when I saw it, I was like, oh,
Oh, there's
God.
footage.
See there?
This is middle day.
Yeah, man. Okay,
Suspect,
here we
please.
go. And then all of a sudden it just rears up. What is happening?
Typical New York street though. Like,
You can imagine you walking down the street in New York, have absolutely no idea that your life is in jeopardy. Watch out, watch out,
but he's driving fine.
watch out. No, him start, go crash.
Oh, see? There's
See,
his...
sir? Watch out. Jesus of his tender mercies, look there.
No.
Oh my goodness. Oh, Jesus.
Do you think it, like, I don't know.
From what I was reading.
Oh,
Ooh.
jeez.
Oh, mercy. Jeez.
Wow.
You know, a young lady lost her life.
Yeah.
Yeah. They said that he was under the influence of some kind
Drug.
of drug.
Yeah.
Oh, condolences to her family, first of all. But can you imagine just walking down the street in New York? By the way, New York is my favorite city. I love going to New York. You just a walk, you know, you feel nice, and then
out of nowhere, you know.
just like that.
Well, I'm not telling you.
We really
Kids,
need
stay
to
away
check.
from drugs. Stay away
Check
from drugs.
yourself. Check yourself, please.
And older people, stay away from drugs. Everybody stay away from drugs. Sure. Can't have these things going on, man. But
I'm glad it wasn't. Oh, synthetic marijuana. So it's not real marijuana. So
synthetic marijuana.
something wrong with it. They never make it.
Something
good.
wrong with him.
Why am I? No, I'm sorry. I really shouldn't be laughing, but it never made good. Something went wrong.
Too much plastic in it. Get plastic weed. Like a plastic rice.
Guys, no, this one take the cake from me,
boy.
right?
Here we go.
No, don't laugh, because it's not funny. And if I ever see anyone in here in it, I will pop it off, I promise you. The ladies' romper now has a male equivalent. Them call it the romphim. With just one piece, you've got an entire outfit that's meant to look carefree, casual, right on trend. But as all ladies who have attempted to wear this style to a party or heaven forbid a music festival know, part of wearing a romper is decidedly not easy, and that is using the bathroom. It's simply on or off. There's no in between. Like you can't push anything to the side. And the only difference on this, what?
They have a zipper.
Yes, the man now, through them feel like them smart. The man romper, they romp him. The creators added a design and they went and added a zip at the front. Leveraging the laid-back cool of a romper without the logistical issues. Mind blown. No, my mind don't blow. My mind is disturbed. But let's back up for a minute. Man romper. Serious. No, with that said, the pictures and the memes are priceless. Have you seen them?
I've seen them.
I see one brother, all one cup, one glass of champagne between him two finger like this, properly
No, because
to
them
the side.
might try to be too flamboyant with the thing.
You know, feel weary.
My mother used to dress up in jumpers, you know. Like,
Yeah, jumpers
sure.
are a different story, Extol.
I find the picture.
Yeah, but it's a jumper.
Yeah.
Every child wears a jumper. You're a kid. You're allowed to do that.
Where's the picture?
Don't wear a romper. Romper is for us. Okay? There are some things that are... Oh, look at that cutie patootie.
See that?
My youth feels like you're hot
You
with
know,
your
my
chest
hey.
mirror, so...
You know, jump out down here, so, and shades and things.
Yeah, guys, please, don't do it. Hey, if you feel you need to do it, take the risk, you know, but just don't let me see you.
If any of my friends wear that, man, we're not friends anymore. We're not friends again. Just walk one side, me walk one side. No, we're
YOLO!
As
Don't
Marvin
wear
said.
it. Bounty might come deal with it. Don't do it. YOLO. Ramp him. Come on.
Come on.
Guys, that's
Wear
the
some
end
pants,
of
man.
trending topic. I don't even know why they put
Wear
that
some
at the
pants
end.
and shirt, man. Sure.
Don't it? Ramp him. That's it for trending topics this morning. Let us know what you think.
I'll stop in video
On
one
all
and
of our social media pages. We'll be right back.
Cause you already know what me dep on, girl. Keep your posh like Beckham, girl. Take a second spur, cause if you check the case, have a sexy face. Run her up in my room like second place. Me skip first and second